Hello students, with this video I will be trying to cover night audit process, how to do a check-in, before that how to make a reservation, once the reservation is done how to check in the guest, do couple of postings and then the final process of checkout. So let's start with making a reservation. Before that, let's check the date. Why checking date is important? The accounting date is the date with which you will be doing the reservation, with which you will be making the reservation. Let me demonstrate how. So double click on room booking. And since we need to check in the guest as per the accounting date, the date of arrival will be the accounting date. That is why it is important that you check the accounting date. Once the reservation form opens up, you can either press enter and automatically the accounting date will be copied, or you can go and check what is the accounting date and manually enter the date. The first method is advisable, where you just click enter and get the accounting date. Enter the time of arrival. Since the time is 5 p.m. now, I will be entering it as 17:30 hours or 1800 hours. Departure date, let's say it is after 3 or 4 days. Rest of the details you know how to fill. I'm going to just make a basic reservation with 2 packs of guests in the room. Let me show you how to give a discount on the rack rate or on the room rate. Select discount, press enter. Once you reach the block which says discount percentage, let's say 10% of discount on room tariff I am giving. Click on confirm. You'll have to enter a reason for a discount. Select a reason from the drop down menu. Let's say guest requested, authorized by FOM. The front office manager is the authorization person. Once that is done, if you want to make any changes to this, you can do the selection, otherwise click OK. The cursor should be blinking on the block which says Mr. or title. So enter Mr. or Miss. If the guest is a repeat guest, then the guest profile will open up. So be a little patient. Once this window pops open, you can close it and continue. Okay, waiting for the form to load. You can click here and exit and then enter the first name of the guest. Again, the guest history will pop up. Click on exit and type the name of the guest. I'm not going to add any other detail. You already know how to update the details. Okay, let's save. Once the reservation is saved, the screen will go blank, the form will go blank, and you will get the reservation number. Print voucher, no. OK. Click on OK. Exit the screen. Now let's check in the guest. Express check-in. The guest is here. You can either drag and drop, or you can double click on the name and type the room number. Since the room category that I had selected was executive, all the executive rooms that are vacant in the system are displayed here. Okay, so let me show you again. Either you can drag and drop. For this you need to keep holding your left, you need to click on the mouse and keep holding the left click and drop the icon next to the room number. You can see this icon, drop it next to the room number. So if I want to check in the guest of 320, I have to bring it next to the room number and drop it. It will ask whether you want to proceed with the check-in, continue. If the night audit has been initiated, you will get an alert like this. So I'm checking in the guest for the next day. Okay, the check-in has been completed. I need to do the same with the second guest as well. Otherwise, the second guest will not be checked in. So automatically 320 will be showed since both the guests share the same reservation. Continue. Same message next day. So do not panic in case you get such messages. Just continue with the registration process. Once that is done, your name will no longer be visible on the expected arrival exit. And while we are at it, let's complete the night audit process. So I will show you how to carry out the night audit process. Go to cashiering, posting. Remember that only one system can be used for night audit. So if you are trying, make sure only you are doing night audit and rest of the people are not using the system. Double click on the option which says room rate as okay, there's an alert which says night audit already executed, cannot post tariff, aborting the process. Otherwise, let's cancel the night audit. Someone had tried initiating the night audit process but has not completed it, and that is why you're getting the error. So this is a gentle reminder to anybody who's trying night audit. Please make sure you complete the process and also make sure nobody else is using the system. Otherwise, the system will crash. Sorry. So you need to post the room rate. The first step for initiating night audit is to post the room rate in all the rooms. These are the guests who are expected checkout. Click on continue, save. Posting the tariff for all rooms. This indicates night audit is beginning. Click on continue and wait for the system to post the room rate in all the rooms automatically, all the occupied rooms automatically. This will take a couple of minutes, so be patient.